Hi, I'm Lindsay. My business is ConnectGen. I do digital marketing strategy and copywriting for small businesses. And what I love about the Digital Marketing Collective is the professional development. It's all right there and delivered by a whole range of experts as well as Kate. The encouragement and support from all of the group, the feeling that we're not alone in business, that sense of community is really important to me. So Kate has developed a culture of collaboration over competition, and so this makes this the best place on the internet. Everyone is pitching in and helping each other, and when we share our how-tos and our tips among ourselves, I'm learning all the time. I'm inspired to go and explore emerging tech that I wouldn't have known about. We're so busy, so if we can come to one place and hear about all the things that are going on, it's amazing. Also discovering businesses and getting to know business owners that I wouldn't otherwise has been incredible. It's such a bunch of legends all coming together. And Kate's generosity at sharing how her business has developed and helping us to learn those general business tactics has been just amazing help and support. I'm loving that guidance to keep me on track with my business, and she shares the highs and lows, so it's just so encouraging to be following someone else's business journey, knowing that we've got support when we need it, and hearing about any traps and pitfalls and what to do if we do and when we do discover those. So if you're a collaborator and wanting to advance your skills while also developing the skills and knowledge that will help your clients too, then I do recommend joining the Digital Marketing Collective.